Hi, welcome to eSpares, the channel which specialises in appliance repairs and where we help you to fix it yourself. I'm Matt, and in this video I'll be showing you what to do if your LG washing machine is displaying any of the error codes PE, IE or FE. Now, as always, if you find this video helpful, please do leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now, if your machine is displaying any of these error codes, it could indicate that there is a problem with the pressure switch inside the machine or a problem with the water inlet valve. So you have to determine which part is faulty before replacing it and solving the problem. Now, thankfully, the error code PE is the simplest one. This indicates that there is a problem with the pressure switch and this needs to be replaced to solve the problem. However, the error codes IE and FE could possibly indicate that there is a problem with the water inlet valve or the pressure switch. Thankfully, there are a couple of other symptoms that you can look out for on the washing machine to help you determine which of those parts is the problem. If your machine isn't filling during a wash cycle, this indicates that there is a problem with the water inlet valve. However, if your machine is overfilling during a wash cycle, this indicates that there is a problem with the pressure switch. So let's get started. The tools you'll need to replace the water inlet valve are a towel, a pair of pliers and a Phillips head screwdriver. The tool you'll need for the pressure switch replacement is simply a Phillips head screwdriver. You can find a link to the tools in the description below, and you can also find a link to new water inlet valves and pressure switches in the description below as well. Safety first, always remember to switch off and unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. To access both the pressure switch and the water inlet valve, you need to take the top of the appliance off by undoing the two Phillips head screws that hold it in place and then pushing it back. Let's start with the water inlet valve here. So the first thing I need to do is to undo the two screws at the back that hold the water inlet valve in place, then remove the electrical connections, and lastly, using the pliers, take the hoses off. Now, before disconnecting any wiring or taking the hoses off, it's a good idea to take a photograph so you know which way to put it back together with your new valve. And when removing the hoses, don't forget to lay a towel down to catch any water. So use a pair of pliers to pinch the clips, pull them down, and then the hoses should come off pretty simply. Before fitting your new water inlet valve, do use the photograph you took earlier as a reference. For instance, on this model, the hoses crisscross before entering the back of the valve. And with the electrical connections, one of the connections is a grey wire which connects to the left-hand side, and the other one is a white wire which connects to the right-hand side. Push the hoses on, and then use your pliers to attach the two clips. Pinch them and push them up the hoses. Then you can fit the electrical connections. Grey on the left, white on the right, and then you can screw the valve into the cabinet. Now I've shown you how to replace the water inlet valve, let's take a look at the pressure switch here. Now to remove it from the cabinet, just need to use your Phillips screwdriver to undo the screw and take that out. Then remove the electrical connection at the back. And finally, the hose underneath. Now, a top tip for you, before you purchase a brand new pressure switch, do blow into that hose to dislodge any debris that might be in there, which could be causing the error code to show on your washing machine. So blow into that and then refit the pressure switch, try the machine again. Of course, if the error code persists, it's a problem with the pressure switch itself. Before looking for a pressure switch or water inlet valve on the eSpares website, it's essential that you know your machine's model number. This will ensure that you're getting the correct part for your particular appliance. Now, if you don't know the appliance model number of your machine, check out our video here, which will give you all the help you need. To fit your new pressure switch, simply push on the air hose at the bottom as far as it will go. Put the electrical connection into place and then you can screw it into the cabinet. Refit the top. And the two screws that hold it in place. So there we have it, how to deal with the error codes PE, IE or FE on an LG washing machine. Hopefully your machine is back up and running smoothly again. Now, before you go, check out this video. This video will tell you how to diagnose all the error codes on an LG washing machine to give you all the power in the future to diagnose the problems yourself. And of course, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things eSpares, energy saving tips, maintenance advice, repair guides, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.